welcome to my channel. Thanks for being here. My name is Darren and I'm a digital marketer. Okay, so today I just want to ask you this one question. What do you do in your downtime? When you've got a bit of spare time, what are you drawn to? What's your hobby? What's your passion? What do you love spending time on? What do you have a little bit of knowledge on? I'm sure there's many things, whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s like myself, 60s, doesn't matter, okay? You've had life experiences. Even if you haven't got a current hobby, you've done things in your life that you were passionate about, that you got a kick out of, that you've got some knowledge on. Now, when we come to digital marketing, we're in 2024. This is what you got to remember. It's not about exchanging your time for money as you move forward in your financial life, okay? There's ways and means to bring multiple income streams into your life by utilizing the skills you already have inside you, the knowledge you already have, turning that information and putting it into a digital product, whether it's an ebook, PDF, podcast, mini course, doesn't matter. Many options and many niches, thousands of niches in fact, that you can get into based on your life experiences. Just think about that, because the opportunity is massive. Okay, I mean, I grew up in the 80s. I was told you've got to go to work, you've got to exchange your time to earn a living these days. Not anymore. Okay, not in 2024. Digital marketing is an absolutely thriving industry, and now is the time for you to get involved. So if there's something you've been thinking about, just think about the skills and the hobbies and the interests that you've had over the years of your life, and that is worth a lot to a lot of people. Okay, there's many people that have created ebooks and PDFs based on visits to theme parks that they sell online and make a very good living from. There's many opportunities these days. So just think about that when you're deciding whether or not to engage in some kind of online business opportunity, because it can be life-changing for you. I'm telling you this because I don't want you, like a lot of people, they'll just purchase a course to sell a course. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, right? Because the course that I'm involved with is the best course I've ever taken, 100%. And it'll always be my go-to course, no matter what, because it offers quality and it teaches the fundamentals. And yes, I do resell it. But is it the only thing I'm going to do? Absolutely not. This course teaches me how to start creating my own digital products. And I've already done an ebook that I give away for free. Next, I'll probably look at planners, another ebook of maybe more content, maybe a mini course. Who knows? I might even go down the podcast route at some point in the future. But this course teaches you everything you need to know to become a successful digital marketer, and not just a reseller of a course or a program. That shouldn't be the forefront of your focus when you go into digital marketing. You should be thinking, right, get something, yes, with master resale rights. It pays you 100% profit should you choose to promote that course. But learn the skills, learn the fundamental important skills to start being able to create your own digital products. And then that's when multiple income streams can happen for you, because you're getting 100% of everything that you create. And can you imagine having 5, 10, 15, 20 income streams? It can be life-changing, guys, life-changing. And that's what the process I'm following right now. And so I just have to reach out to you, because I know how many people in their 30s and 40s and 50s and 60s are struggling like mad financially. The cost of living is crippling this country. So we cannot have our eggs in one basket anymore. I got stung when COVID pandemic happened. My business closed overnight. I've had it for 19 years. I've still got that business, but it'll never be the same again. Not just because the opportunities are not there as they were, but my energy's shifted. I'm in my 50s. I do not want to be exchanging my time for money for much longer, which is why I've created an online business, which is why I have a system working for me 24/7 on autopilot. But the magic for me is, yes, the autopilot system, but it's also having the skills to be able to create your own digital products and build your business and build your brand, and not to brand someone else constantly. Be in control of your own destiny, as such. A bit corny, but you know what I mean, right? Getting more time freedom back, getting to the point where you have time freedom and financial freedom. So you've got more recurring income coming in than you need for your outgoings. That is freedom, right? Just think about it. If you want to know exactly what I'm talking about, or you want to look at the course that I'm taking, because not word of a lie, this course is teaching me things that I should have learned from a course that I took 18 months ago, that I paid 4 times the amount for, and I wasn't taught that. So important. I can't believe I missed this, but now I've got it, and I'm so grateful that I have got it now. It's a game changer. I'm proud of it, and that's why you've got to be involved with something you're proud of. Okay, do not promote anything if you don't 110% believe in it, because it'll come through in your content. You've got to believe in something. You've got to take it yourself. Don't just buy a course and promote it without taking the education. You should see all the notes that I take, because it's so important to engage and go into the depths of the training, so you understand the fundamentals of building a business. Do that. There's no reason why you can't see success. If you've got any questions, drop them in comments below. I would love to engage with you anytime. Details are below. Link for the course that I'm promoting is below. Go and check it out. If you've got any questions, drop me an email. Have a fantastic day, guys. See you soon.